Do you want to start a YouTube channel but you're not sure which niche makes real money? Because let's be honest, not all niches pays the same. Some channels get millions of views but with little income, while others have few views but with 10 times more income. So in this video, I'll break down the top 5 highest paying YouTube niches in 2026, why they make so much money, and you can do the same. So let's get into it. First in the list is about finance and investing, and this is the highest paying niche. This includes personal finance, budgeting and savings, stocks, crypto, side hustles, and passive incomes. And why this niche makes a lot of money? Because companies like banks and investment platforms spend a lot on ads. We're talking about CPMs from $15 to $50 plus per 1,000 views. So even if your views are not super high, your earnings can still be big. Second niche is about making money online, AI, and online business. This kind of niche is booming right now. Why? Because of high demand and strong advertiser competition. That's high CPM, usually around $10 to $40, plus maraming ways to earn, like affiliate links, digital products, and sponsorships. However, this niche is highly saturated, meaning to say marami ng mga gumagawa and marami ding nade-demonetize because of being unrealistic and inauthentic, mostly are repetitive AI-generated content. Kasi yung iba, ginagawa siyang 100% automated or AI-generated talaga. Third on the list is about education and skill-based contents. This is one of the most stable niches. Examples are science lessons, math lessons, tutorials, or coding and tech skills. Why it works? Because evergreen content siya, meaning kahit old videos mo, may views pa rin. And CPM ranges from $5 to $20. And this is perfect for faceless content. You can create voice-over lessons, animated videos, or slides with explanation. Number 4 is about tech and product reviews. This includes apps, AI tools, productivity tools, or smartphones and laptops. Why it makes money? Because people watching these videos are ready to buy these products. That means higher conversations equals higher income. CPM is about $8 to $25, but most earnings come from affiliate marketings or sponsorships. And last on our list is about real estate and luxury lifestyle. Examples are house tours, living in different countries, and luxury experiences. Why it pays well? Because this niche targets high-income audiences and advertisers love that. CPM can go from $10 to $35. So those are our top 5 high-paying niche in YouTube right now. But here's the thing, niche alone can't make you rich. Kahit high CPM pa yan, if your content is low quality, boring, and repetitive, you still won't succeed. Because what really matters is audience retention, engagement, and trust. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next one.